Hi there, it's Cassandra, aka Liquid Spice in Real Life. Just here to give you a little update on my nose piercing situation. Um, as you can probably see, you see an extra hole there. Yeah, I pierced my nose off camera. Stop it. I pierced my nose off camera. It was an impulse. Ivy's right here and she's driving me crazy. It's an impulse piercing. So this one, which is the nostril that I did first, I hope you can see that. This one was not parallel to this one. So this one was a little off. So I ended up pulling that out. I can't believe I'm saying this and I actually did this. I actually ended up pulling this one out and re-piercing it, which is better now. The reason why it may not look that straight to you is because this one is pushed up a little bit. Why are you trying to eat my tripod? So, and then I said, you know what? While I'm doing that, let me just put the other one down here. So I said, okay, let me get the false hoop and put it here and see how that would look with both of these and this pierce. What, once it healed, I would put a hoop in there. So I absolutely loved it. Absolutely loved it. And you know what? For the first time in my life, walking around with 3 piercings in my nose as big as it is, I had so much confidence. So much confidence. And I'm like, wow. And the attention that I was getting from the opposite sex, I'm like, that's odd. So I'm like, let me find out these piercings actually look really, really good on me. Which it may not look smaller to you. My nose may not look smaller to you on camera, but when I look in the mirror, it looks like if you were to see me in person, it does. I guess because of the piercings. So I don't know if it was my confidence that day was skyrocketed or that I actually look better with these piercings. Yeah, so that's that. Let me bring in closer. And they're healing just fine. I get a little bit of soreness from time to time. I know I hit it by accident quite a bit because it itches and I forget that I have the nose piercings there because I don't feel any pain anymore. And I end up wiping, lightly wiping because it itches in that spot and it kind of tugs a little bit. And I just did that not long ago, so that's why this one is a little sore. Um, what else I can tell you? The oil that's coming out of my nose. Oh my God. My nose is so oily. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second. Okay. So that was I'm not gonna say that's not what I meant to say, but the oil that was coming out of my nose, the amount of oil, and I'm like, what's going on here? If you hear something, that's my heater back there, as you can see. Well, there we go. That's my heater making that noise. If you hear something, so I don't know. I mean, it's like right now this camera is making my face look really fat and that's not the case. um Sorry. I'm sitting on my bed right now. I just really didn't want to go into the filming area. So let me see something. So let's see. I can set you up somewhere that it won't fall. Okay, this is cool. So And the amount of mucus that was coming out of my nose when I pierced it, y'all saw it, that my nose was running until I went to sleep. And then the next day it was running as well. But that stopped. And that's it for right now. I mean, I think it looks nice. It looks really nice. I love it. I absolutely love it. And like I said, I never thought that I would pierce my nose because my nose is so large. And okay, so I went to YouTube University, you know, and I put in the search engine women nose piercings on women with big noses. And when I tell you the amount of sisters I saw on there with noses bigger than mine, living their life with their beautiful nose piercings, and I'm like, here I am sitting here worrying about, am I going to bring attention to something on my face that I do not like, that is just, it's in the slap dab in the center of my face, that I feel like it is just taking over my whole face all my life. Teased as you know, when I was in school, and then my father tweaking my nose like this all the time, squeezing my nose, because he said that, you know, so oh God, okay, let me get this right, let me get his words right now. He would squeeze my nose a lot so that my nose wouldn't look so big when I grew up. So on top of the kids at school teasing me, I came home to that. Yeah, so no one telling me how beautiful I was with my nose, you know, no one telling me, you know, just none of that at all. So that's why I grew up with that up until the other day. Like, I'm like, I don't care. And I had such confidence that day. And I guess that's why, part of why I was getting so much attention, and some attention I didn't want. And I'm like, oh, now wait a minute. Is this what it is to look beautiful? I know I'm stupid. Okay. You see, I just did like this, and I felt that I got to keep my hands out of this area. I have to remind myself to keep my hands out of this area. But yeah, you know, I just want to come on and tell you guys, not to hold you up. I know I said I was going to do a video on Tuesday, but sometimes my anxiety gets the best of me. But that's neither here nor there. But yeah, so that's that. I just wanted to give you an update on my piercings. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Comment, like, subscribe. Keep the comments going. I got some really nice comments from really nice comments from some really nice people, and I really do appreciate that. Please keep the comments coming. I love it. I love interacting with you guys. I am going to do better with my with the amount of videos I do a week. I want to do at least 3 to 4. I really do. But sometimes my anxiety and my depression gets the best of me. But I'm going to try to do better. I was doing really good at one time, and I got so many subscribers, and I know I have to be consistent, and I do apologize for that. But you know, it is what it is with me right now. Just bear with me, please. Hang in there. I'm going to try to do more content, be more frequent with posting, and don't forget to hit that notification bell and hit all so that you'll know when I upload a video. Okay? So with that being said, I still want to re-pierce this one hole right here. I don't know if you see it. You see that right there? I want to re-pierce that. But we'll see what happens. I don't know. I also bought a nose ring because I rose gold. I love rose gold. And when I'm able to switch these out, which would be like maybe another month and a half or two, it's going to be rose gold. It's going to be all rose gold. I love rose gold. Like all of these are rose gold. These here are just earrings that I got from Temu. I had to squeeze these in these holes because I really didn't wear earrings in these holes up here. And they have the round backing, so they wouldn't stab me in the ear, because I wanted to keep an earring in the holes that I wasn't wearing earrings in. They were really tight getting that earring in there. Oh my God. And it stayed sore for about 2.5 weeks because I wanted to keep them in there and sleep in them and all of that. And I didn't want no discomfort with the regular backing, with the butterfly piece, earrings with the butterfly piece, or anything sticking me in my, behind my ear because of where the earrings are. So I decided to put those with the round ball, the screw on with the round ball in the back, so that I can be comfortable when I sleep. But I couldn't get an earring in this one. I got an earring in this one. This one is up here. I got this earring done. I got this hole done. And it was with a gun because it was a really long time ago. When my grandma died. Me and my sister got matching ones like this. I can get an earring in it, but it's really sore, because I don't really wear earring in there. So that's what I got, the round hoop, rose gold hoop to put in here. It's very small, very tiny, and that's what I like. So I might end up, I know I'm going to end up getting another one for this piercing right here. I want this to be a hoop. Now, me getting another one here, I don't know. Now, this is what I want to say before I forget. I know oh, God. Oh. Okay, so I know these are high up, which was not intentional. But when I went to YouTube University and I put in high nostril piercings, and I saw them and I loved it. This was after I pierced my nose. I'm like, damn, these are too high. I loved it. They have them up here. And I'm like, oh, that is so pretty. Making me think, but I'm not going to do that. I would not do that on my own. I would go to a professional piercer to do that if I decide to do that. But it's just so nice. So the high nostril piercings. And then I consider this, because of the location that they're in, it's another piercing called nasal lang, which it's right here in this location. They take the clamps and they put it on your nose. They squeeze your nose together and they stick the needle through, straight through. I had no idea that this was a piercing, but they stick the needle straight through your nose. So they clamp your nose together and they stick a needle straight through, and they put a barbell in there. And it looks like this with these two round things. See these round things? You notice on the end of a barbell ring, a barbell earring or whatever, they put it straight through your nose. That's called nasal lang. That looks so nice. And it looks just like this, but I consider mine faux because I actually pierced each nostril. Didn't know anything about that either until after I did this. There's another one called praying mantis. And it's right here. You got two right here. Like the antennas of a praying mantis bug. Two piercings right there. I'm like, wow. But no, I'm not messing with that. I love the placement I have of these. And I love here, which displacement here, which when this heals, like I said, I'm gonna put a ring in there, and it looks so good, so good. So I still have the other piercing kits in there that I want to do this, reopen this hole with. I'm debating because that one is a bit of a gun. It's not the actual gun, but it looks like the thing that I pierced my nose with, but a little bigger. I don't know. If I decide to do that on my own, I'm just going to hope and pray. Scratch the hope. I'm going to pray it turns out right. And I will do it on camera, okay? Sorry you didn't get to see this one done, but it was an impulse, and I'm like, because I know how I can get. Like I said, before I get piercings, before I even walk, when I get on the block of the piercing parlor that I decide to go to, my heart, I can hear my heart in my ears. That's how nervous I get and scared. Sorry guys. So me actually doing this on my own, that is a big accomplishment. A big one. And me talking about doing this on my own, like, come on, like who am I? Who am I? Who have I become? Or whomever I became, I love you. I love you. Mwah. So anyway, like I said, I'm not gonna hold up much of your time. It's a Friday night, and you know, after work, you're probably grabbing the girls and ready to go out and have a few drinks to blow off some steam. Whatever you're doing tonight, be safe. Have a good one. Have a good time for me. Have a shot for me. Okay? Whether it's Kool-Aid or water, wine, or a shot of some hard liquor, have one for me. Cheers, you guys. I'm just gonna stay here like every other Friday and just watch scary movies. So comment if you think this looks good, like this, which I absolutely love it. And comment if you think I should re-pierce this on my own, because I think I'm gonna do it. Okay, you see how I get? It's like I did all of this, and now I'm being a little chicken shit on this. Come on. Anyway, have a good one, guys. Thanks for listening, and you probably see me Monday. I don't know. If I decide to do something tomorrow, I'll pick up the camera and do it. I went to Target yesterday, and I meant to film it running out of the house to try and catch the bus. I left the doggone phone here, my vlogging phone. So, sorry. But anyway, have a good night. Cheers. Don't forget to have one for me. Bye.